Good Noel, and I welcome you to this YouTube channel. So this video you can consider a sub trailer or a continuous trailer if you like, because I already made a trailer about this YouTube channel. So this is like an updated version of it. So again, my name is Good Noel, and on this channel I make videos that has to do with how you can make money online, how you can develop yourself, entrepreneurship, and how you can make use of online marketing opportunities that comes your way. So now we are trying to do something slightly different, because if you've been on this channel for a while, you'd have noticed that I talk more about how you can create sponsored ads and all that. But the problem comes from the fact that there are a lot of persons who've come to me and they do not actually know where to start. They do not know what to do with the traffic they generate using sponsored posts and all that. So for that reason, this channel is going to be upgraded to a more comprehensive one, where I have to walk you through the process of creating businesses, ideas that you can then use this traffic that you're generating to it. You can now channel this traffic to it. For instance, I'm going to be talking a lot on how you can start an e-commerce business, or how you can use this traffic knowledge to start even a social media management business. All right, so these are things you can do using online marketing opportunities, and it's my job as your friend to help you with the experiences I've gathered over the years doing things online. So this channel is strictly dedicated to you if you want to see how you can make a good living using online opportunities. So if this sounds like you, then you should like this video and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if it doesn't sound like you, well, you can share this to somebody that are interested, so we can move on without you. Without you. But I'm still gonna miss you though. I'm still gonna miss you. So I suggest that you subscribe anyway. Because I might make something that you would find very interesting. So thank you for watching this video. My name is Good Noel. You should look out for my subsequent videos. Bye bye.